Hello friends, today we are going to see how to calculate regression coefficient and regression line equations. Now two series are given. First is series X as well as the second is series Y. So there are 9 observations which are given in series X as well as 9 observations in series Y. We need to calculate first the regression coefficients. Now for calculating regression coefficients, the first thing is we need to calculate the mean. We need to calculate the arithmetic mean. So for arithmetic mean, the formula is x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n. That means the summation of series x. So the total of this series x is 45. So this is we put here as 45 divided by n. N is total number of observations. So here in this case the total number of observations are 9. So 45 by 9, that means the mean of x bar, that is the mean of x is 5. Similarly we need to calculate the mean of y bar. We need to calculate the summation of y here, this comes out to be 135. So this will be 135. Y bar is equal to summation of y divided by n. So what is n? N is again the total number of observation, that is 9. So 139 divided by 135 divided by 9, this comes out to be 15, that is 15. Okay. Now next thing is we need to calculate the deviations from mean. Deviation from mean. For calculating deviation from mean, that is dx, this will, the formula is x minus x bar. X minus x bar. So first value is x, that is 1, minus what is x bar, that is 5. So the first value 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Similarly the next value 2 minus 5, this is minus 3. This is minus 2. This will be minus 1. 5 minus 5 0. 6 minus 5 1, 2, 3, and finally this will be 9 minus 5, that is 4. Similarly we need to calculate the deviation of y from mean, that is y bar. So this is 6 minus 15. This comes out to be minus 9. This will be minus 7. This will be 10 minus 15, that is minus 5. This is minus 3. 15 minus 15, it comes out to be 0. 18 minus 15, 3. Next 5. Next, and finally 24 minus 15, that is 9. Now we need to calculate in the next column dx square, square of column number 3. So minus 4 square, that is 16. This is minus 3 square, that is 9. 2 square 4. 1 square 1. 0. 4. 9 and 16. Similarly we will be calculating the square of column number 4, that is dy square. So 9 minus 9 square, that is 81. 49. 25. 9. 0. This is 9. 25. 49 and 9 square, that is 81. So now we need to calculate summation of dx square. This comes out to be 60. Addition of this column, that is dx square, this comes out to be 60. Next we need to calculate summation of dy square. So the summation of dy square comes out to be 328. Now finally we need to calculate the dx, the value of dx and dy, that means column number 3 multiplied by column number 4. So this is minus 4 multiplied by minus 9, 36. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 7, this is 21. Next 10. Next 3. This is 0. Again this is 3. This is 5 multiplied by 2, 10. 7 multiplied by 3, that is 21. And 9 multiplied by 4, that is 36. Again we need to calculate the summation of dx and dy. So the total of this particular column comes out to be 140. Fine. Now starts the actual thing, that is regression coefficient. So number 1, we need to calculate regression coefficient of x on y, which is denoted by b, small b, suffix xy. This is given by the equation summation of dx into dy divided by summation of dy square. This is dx into dy 140 divided by summation of dy, that is 328. So 140 divided by 328, this comes out to be 0.42. Next, we need to calculate regression coefficient of now y on x. Previously it was x on y, now y on x. This is byx is equal to the formula summation of dx into dy divided by this last value, that is summation of dx square. So this is 140 divided by 60. So this comes out to be 2.33. So we have calculated regression coefficient of x on y, that is bxy, and regression coefficient of y on x. Now third thing is we need to calculate regression line equation. Again the same thing, that is regression equation of x on y. Regression equation of x on y. So the formula is x minus x bar is equal to bxy into bracket y minus y bar. This is the equation, this is the regression line equation of x on y. So we shall be putting the values. We don't know x, this is x minus, we have x bar, it is 5, bxy 0.42 into, we don't know value of y, minus, what is y bar, 15. Therefore x minus 5 multiplying 0.42 with the bracket, this is 0.42 y minus 6.3. So we'll take this to the left hand side. The equation becomes x minus 0.42 y is equal to 1.3. This is your first equation. Next, regression equation of now y on x. Regression equation of y on x. This is y minus y bar is equal to byx into bracket x minus x bar. So this comes out to be, therefore y minus y bar, what is the value of y bar, that is 15, is equal to, what is by, what is the value of byx, that is 2.33 into bracket x minus x bar, that is 5. So solving this equation, y minus 15 is equal to 2.33x minus, this comes out to be 11.65. Therefore our final equation will be y minus 2.33x is equal to 3.35. So here friends, this is how we have calculated the regression, the two regression coefficient, that is bxy, x on y, and second byx. The value comes out to be 0.42 and 2.33. And finally we have calculated regression line equations. Now regression line equation of x on y is given by the formula x minus x bar is equal to bxy into bracket y minus y bar. Substituting all the values, we get this particular equation. And second thing, regression equation of y on x, which is given by the formula y minus y bar is equal to byx into bracket x minus x bar. putting all those values, and we get the final equation as this one. Friends, I hope you might have understood this problem. Thank you for watching my video.